Hello students, in the parts of unit 2, today's topic is wireless sensor. Have you ever heard the word wireless sensor? Have you ever seen where the wireless sensor are going to be used? Can you see the image? What exactly is happening inside the image? One sensor is passing the data to the another sensor continuously, and as long as it is reaches to the particular node or particular destination point where it has to be sent. So what is wireless sensor then? Wireless sensor makes a wireless network. When many wireless sensor come in common or come in the group, it becomes a wireless sensor networks. Okay, and every sensor from that node should be connected to each other with LAN or any Ethernet or internet. Wireless sensor network shorts WSN. Wireless sensor network referred to a network partially dispersed and dedicated sensor that monitor and record the physical conditions of the environment and forward the collected data to the central location. Means in previous image what you have seen, it is forwarding whatever the information is collected by the sensor. Means this is the sensor and it is passing all the data to the next sensor continuously. Whatever the data has been collected by this sensor, it is continuously passing to the another. Wireless sensor network can be defined as a network of devices that can communicate the information gathered from the monitor field through the wireless link. How wireless sensor work? The data is forwarded through multiple nodes, and with the gateways, the data is connected to the another network like wireless Ethernet, wireless network, WAN, etc. There are some types of wireless sensor network. When a wireless sensor is used in some network, it becomes a wireless sensor network. So if you use the wireless sensor in terrestrial, then it becomes a terrestrial WSN. If you use the wireless sensor in underground, so it becomes underground wireless sensor network. If you use wireless sensor in underwater, it becomes a underwater wireless sensor network. If you use wireless sensor network in multimedia, in mobiles, then it becomes for that particular network. Then what is the use of wireless sensor? Wireless air sensors are used to assess air quality including temperature, humidity and the presence of harmful gases. Using wireless air temperature and humidity sensor, homeowners can detect heat system failures or measure humidity levels in greenhouses or in some areas. A WSN consists of a group of wirelessly interconnected specially distributed computers using sensor and actuator to access and interact with the surrounding environment. These computers are known as sensor node and are usually resource constrained and small form factor devices designed to run a battery power. You can see on your screen, these are the some wireless sensors. These are collecting the data and passing to the particular node. Okay, node will be the computer. So this is inside structure of a wireless network sensor. You can see here extended radio ports are there, sensing interfaces are there, actuation interface is there, computational core is there. So where are the application of wireless sensor then? In area monitoring, healthcare monitoring, habitat monitoring, environmental or earth sensing, industrial monitoring, threat detection, hardware, wireless monitoring. So in all these area you can use such kind of sensor. So application of wireless sensor. Sensor network architecture is used in WSN and it can be used in various places like schools, hospital, buildings, road, etc. for various applications like disaster management, security management, crisis management, etc. Components of a wireless sensor. Okay, whatever we have seen the image. What are the components of this image? A sensor node is made up of 4 basic components such as sensing unit, processing unit, transceiver unit and a power unit. It also has a application dependent additional components such as location finding system or a power generator and a mobilizer. Okay, so the components, what exactly these components are working. Sensing section contains a sensor itself which is based on a particular technology. A variety of technologies means you can select a sensor technology which fits your application. The processing circuitry converts the physical variable into an electrical variable, and the signal outputs contains the electronic connected to a control system. That's it for the today's lecture. Thank you.